Hello writers, welcome to our lesson number 9. Today we're going to work in the use of English, adjectives, nouns, and verbs. Our teaching point today is that writers identify nouns, verbs, and adjectives in order to improve the writing, to make it better. Do you remember what are nouns? I'm sure that you remember, but just in case, we're going to review it. Nouns are words that name person, place, or a thing. They may be proper or they may be common. If we talk about a person that has a name or a last name, and we talk about that person referring to their name, we say Mrs. Smith, Miss Michu, Mrs. Greenstein. Or common is only if we talk about a general thing, okay? Teacher, pencil. And we're going to see some more examples. These are going to be very, maybe, common for you. Or you may have heard about them because they are related to the story that we're reading. Thank you, Mr. Folker. We have as common nouns, girl, and as a proper, Trisha. If we talk about common, teacher, proper, Mr. Folker. City is a common noun and Michigan is a proper. Honey is a common noun and me too is a proper noun. You see, I'm sweet as honey. Car is a common noun and maybe if we talk about the model of a car, it would be a proper noun. Now we're going to see an example. Which nouns can you find in the following paragraph? This paragraph is from the novel that we're reading. Thank you, Mr. Folker. And it says, but when Trisha looked at a page, all she saw were wiggling shapes, and when she tried to sound out words, the other kids laughed at her. Now, which would be the nouns here? Let's stop for a minute so that you can think. It says, in the first sentence, let's see if you get it. We have Trisha, it's a proper noun. Page, it's a common noun. Shapes, words, and kids. Now we're going to get into verbs. What are verbs? Are words used to describe actions. When you do something. Verbs can be in the present or in the past. Examples. Verbs in the present. Look here. Are things that have actions that happen today. We have stand, wonder, take, taste, carry, eat, help, look, crash, and buy. Here you will click to see what are the meanings. I didn't put them all because I know that there are some words that you already know. Eat, for example. You know what it is. So I am not going to put the vocabulary. But if you click there, you're going to get to the vocabulary. And now we're going to see verbs in the past. Okay? It already happened. We have stood is the past tense of stand. Wondered is the past tense of wonder. Took is the past tense of take. Tasted is the past tense of taste. Carried is the past tense of carry. Ate is the past tense of eat. Helped is the past tense of help. Looked, past tense of look. Crashed, past tense of crash. And bought is the past tense of buy. These are only a few examples. And what are adjectives? Are words used to describe nouns or pronouns. They can be color, size, texture, shape. Okay, this you can read it on your own. so that we don't take more time and you can start working. Isn't it cool? Okay, here we have another text from the novel, and let's see if you can identify which are the adjectives in this paragraph. It says, even though her grandpa and grandma were gone, the little girl didn't want to move. Maybe, though, the teacher and kids in her new school wouldn't know how dumb she was. Let's see. Just take a minute for you to see which are the adjectives in this paragraph. Let's see. In the first sentence, is there any adjective? No. In the second sentence, we have little. How is the girl? That is a noun. She's little. Maybe, though, the teacher and kids in her new school wouldn't know how dumb she was. New. How was the school? New. And dumb. It's not a very good description, but it's an adjective also. Now it's time for you to play some games. You're going to click on the following link and you're going to find many different games that you can play of nouns, adjectives, and verbs. And let's follow the instructions. You're going to open your English copybook in the writing part and you're going to write down the parts of the speech. Okay? Noun, verb, adjectives. Once you finish, send a picture of your work so that we know that you already copied in your copybook. Once ready, you're going to click the following link and complete the live worksheet. Once you finish, you press terminado and the work is going to get to your teacher. So good luck, guys.